Where is my gracious Lord of Canterbury?
God and his angels guard your sacred throne and make you long become it.
Sure, we thank you. My learned lord, we pray you to proceed and justly and religiously unfold why the law salic that they have in France, or should not bar us in our claim. And pray take heed how you impawn our person, how you awake our sleeping sword of war. We charge you in the name of God, take heed. For never two such kingdoms did contend without much fall of blood.
Then hear me, gracious sovereign. There is no bar to make against your highness' claim to France, but this, which they produce from Pharamond. In terram salica mulieris ne succedent, no woman shall succeed in Salic land. Which Salic land the French unjustly glows to be the realm of France. Yet their own authors faithfully affirm that the land Salic lies in Germany, between the floods of Saar and of Elbe. Then doth it well appear this Salic law was not devised for the realm of France, nor did the French possess the Salic land until 421 years after defunction of King Pharamond, idly supposed the founder of this law. King Pepin, which deposed Childeric, did as heir general, being descended of Blithild, which was the daughter to King Clothaire, make claim and title to the crown of France. Hugh Capet also, who usurped the crown of Charles the Duke of Lorraine, sole heir male of the true line and stock of Charles the Great, could not keep quiet in his conscience, wearing the crown of France, till satisfied that fair Queen Isabel, his grandmother, was lineal of the Lady Ermengar, daughter to Charles, the aforesaid Duke of Lorraine, by the which marriage the line of Charles the Great was reunited to the crown of France. So that as clear as is the summer sun, all appear to hold in right and title of the female. So do the kings of France unto this day. Howbeit, they would hold up this Salic law to bar your highness claiming from the female.